What are the ethical concerns surrounding stem cell research? When we think about stem cell research, it's important to consider the ethical concerns that come along with it. One of the main issues is the use and destruction of human embryos. Many people believe that embryos should be treated as human life, which raises questions about their rights. The debate often centers on whether embryos deserve the same protections as living individuals. Since harvesting embryonic stem cells usually means destroying the embryo, some view this as equivalent to ending a human life. From a libertarian viewpoint, which focuses on individual rights and private property, the ethical concerns shift to ownership and consent. Libertarians often see the embryo as a human being with rights, including the right to control one's own body and biological material. This leads to the question of who gets to decide what happens to fertilized eggs. If a person or organization has consented to use the embryo for research, libertarians argue that this can be ethically acceptable, as long as it respects the rights of everyone involved. Another ethical concern is the potential for exploitation or commodification of human life. Libertarians aim to avoid this by advocating for voluntary transactions and clear property rights, rather than heavy government regulations. They typically argue against strict regulations or bans on stem cell research, favoring deregulation. This allows individuals and organizations to make their own ethical choices regarding research, provided they do not infringe on the rights of others. Practical applications of stem cell research are significant. They include developing treatments for diseases such as Parkinson's disease, Alzheimer's disease, diabetes, and spinal cord injuries. Libertarians support deregulating this research because it can lead to medical advancements that improve individual health and lower healthcare costs. This aligns with their principle of maximizing personal freedom and well-being. In summary, the ethical concerns surrounding stem cell research revolve around the moral status of embryos and the rights over biological material. From a libertarian perspective, these concerns are addressed by focusing on individual consent, property rights, and minimizing government interference. This approach allows for scientific progress while respecting personal freedoms and ethical boundaries.